Do you know how profitable it is to own your own bulldozer in America? Today's task is to level this muddy construction road. He lowers the blade, pushing forward little by little. After more than 2 hours, the water is covered, and the sand layer becomes firm. He raises the blade, looks at the section of road he just leveled, and a small smile appears at the corner of his mouth. This job earned him $800. It looks easy, but every dollar was pushed out through experience and skill, inch by inch. If you had the chance, would you do this job? Tell me in the comments.